So, Mike, could I address Tim directly, sir?
Yeah.
So, Tim, I understand what you're asking because, 10 years ago or as soon as 5 years ago, everyone expected the product owner to give a roadmap. And then you just kind of burnt down as a software development
Mhm.
term, the roadmap. In 2026, that is so not workable. Somebody's calling me. But anyway, by the time the roadmap's printed, it's already obsolete. And I see where Mike's
Yeah.
stressing with this.
Yeah, I just didn't know if it was going to be like a phased release or if it was just going to be all at once. And it sounds like it's going to be all at once, and then we'll handle the fallout. So
Yeah.
either way works good. I just people are
Yeah.
getting excited, and I was like,
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. No, if anything, you're something that relates to what you're saying would be, the version A is like, hey, no one has access but these 10 people. Okay. And then those 10 people are giving me feedback. And then version B is like, okay, now we're going to invite everyone to go ahead and sign up if they're not already signed up as a premium member. And then all the premium members will get invited to just start using it because the basic versions of it, for example, My Jobs, Dispatch, basically all the tools are working. And they're working for the most part. And then if they have specific bugs or requests, there's already a built-in system for giving that feedback. So the feedback loop basically. And that actually is probably the most exciting part of this is the community. So as an individual server, that's what I was going to show you guys next is so you understand fully like how it works. Like, well, if I invite someone and they're not a member, how do they give attempts and all this? Well, everybody will be invited to become a member of the community inside of the software. And I'm not going to build this out too much. It's just going to be basically exactly what we have in school. So we can just move everything to school or off of school to here. So people who are on school will still have the community. It'll all be free. There won't be any courses or anything. And to get to learn and to become a part of everything, they'll come here and they can actually learn, come to live events, see the members directory, the leaderboard will be here, and then the law library, which is how we feed our AI data on specific laws, will all be here. So you can say, hey, I want to submit a law. Okay, this is the server view. They can't submit a law. Only paying members, basically individual, premium, and enterprise members can submit a law for approval. And if it gets approved, then it just gets a card added, and then you get a contributor tag right here. And then the top contributors in any category, it gets added to your profile in the front end, which is pretty cool. But also just giving feedback. So like if you come to the community, let me actually go into a regular viewer. Actually, I can click on individual. Here you go. So community as an individual, I can actually, I can give feedback. So you just come over here just like a regular post and you say, it'd be really great. This is Don. This is going to be where Don lives. Can this do? And then it'll be a feature request. And how many other people would like to see this feature request? Whatever. And it's not a law update or a blog review. It's just a feature request. So when you hit post as a feature request, automatically in the administrator board gets added. Moderation, yeah. It automatically gets added as a feature request. Let's see, actually, I think I have it in developer feature requests. Yeah. So yeah, still building out the admin dashboard. I'm going to do the admin dashboard last because that's where everything's going to kind of link to. But yeah, the ability for you to give feedback is built into the community already. So you can just go in the community, literally everything you want to say. If you want to come do a bug, hey, this is a bug that's not working. Hey, and it kind of makes everything public, which I'm okay with because I feel like that gives better feedback because then 5 more people say, hey, big companies used to do this with Twitter. Big companies would create a Twitter account just to get feedback and have everything just live, even though sometimes you get a lot of negativity. It's like, whatever. You're going to find, I don't think we'll get it in the community because these are all like, plus features will be fixed so quickly, So if you want to do a blog submission, you can do blog submission, submit blog for review. You can, and this is where I was saying where you would come and submit a blog post. So let's say you created one on your website. That's what I recommend. You don't have to put it on your website, but that's what I recommend. And then you just create a blog post and you say, my cool blog post. You could add images or videos. You can add, it's all just like school. It's already done. It's already built. So you can just post it. It'll be a my cool blog post. People can come comment. They can like on it. It will save the points that you get. So you can be on the leaderboard, like all of it. It's already ready. So by next week, I want to start communicating and inviting the people who are using the software already to the community. So we can basically, when you're testing, you'll just come straight in here and add bugs when you find them, right? Just say a bug report. Boom. I tried this. It doesn't work. Save. Right. I have a question. This is like process serving related maybe, or all the same kind of stuff.